What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Today we are going to talk about how to start your foreclosure clean out business step by step. We started today.
Hit the like button, subscribe. Let's get into this video.
So this step is very crucial. You want to make sure that you have a business name. You can't start a business without a business name. So for the next day or two, figure out what you want to call yourself and make sure it matches up with the services that you're going to be doing. Make sure nobody else has it, because it's going to be so annoying if you get all the way up there and people are noticing you, they're looking at your business, and you find out somebody else has the same exact name as you. That is going to make or break you. So right now, do the research, look on Google, look in your area, look in your state, and make sure no one has that name. The next important thing is the logo. You want to make sure your logo matches up with your business name. Make sure the abbreviation is good. You can always pay someone on Fiverr to make you a logo, so don't panic. But if you are the type of person who likes to learn new things, you can make a logo on CANVA. There's an app called CANVA where they will give you templates of logos that you can just edit and put your name into. Y'all check that out in the description. I got this a lot in my DM and in my emails. Is insurance important? Do your research for your state, because some will require it and some won't. Double check, save yourself, because you are running a business. You don't want it to fail before it even gets started. Once you figure out your business name, this is when you want to go to the clerk's office and get your LLC license or the sole license. I have mentioned it in my previous videos, but I really want you to actually go to Google, type it in, and figure out which one is going to be the best fit for you. Don't take my word for it. Go look it up and make sure it fits within your situation, because you may need the sole instead of the LLC or vice versa. Once you finish the first half, which will probably take you about 1 week, but you're getting started today. That's all that matters. You're starting it today. You're not waiting. You want to make sure you check your inventory. Look and see if you already have cleaning products, mops, buckets, trash bags. See if someone already has a pickup truck that you can pay them a small fee to come and help you out. Use your resources that you have around you when you're starting out. Don't spend a lot of money, because you're already going to have to spend money when you go get your business license. So try to use as much of the items that you have in your house, because you never know what you're going to find when you go to these properties. Make sure you have trash bags. Use the leaf trash bags because they're a little bit more sturdier. Make sure you always have gloves, high-knee boots, just in case you have to go in the attic or go in the yard or whatever the case may be. Make sure you have a camera. You need a camera because you need to take pictures of the before and after. They want to see both sides. If you take pictures, you can use that on Instagram or Facebook to promote your business. You can show people, hey, this is what I do. Look at what it looked like before and look at what it looks like now. It's going to help you grow so much quicker. The challenge is getting the first house. That's the biggest challenge. Get the first house, prove to them that you know what you're doing, because you've cleaned a house before. You've cleaned your own house. So just show them and you will see your business grow. I promise you. If you want to make extra, look around and see what else needs to be done with the house. Don't just stop with cleaning it out. If it needs to be mowed, ask them, can you mow it?
Do whatever you can. Fill a hole in the wall. Change the doorknob. Anything that they're going to need done anyways, they're going to call somebody after you anyways. So why not just get it done?
Finding realtors. A lot of people have been asking me, how do I find foreclosure realtors? Never forget, foreclosure realtors. Those are the people that you want. When you call with confidence. Call with, hey,
I'm calling because I found your listing on such and such. This is what I do. Do you have any houses that need to be cleaned out at the moment?
If they say no, ask them,
who can I speak to? Do you know anyone else who might be able to steer me in the right direction with getting this information.
Don't stop at number one. You need to be calling
every single day.
as many people as you can, because you just need one. That's all you need is one realtor, because they're gonna have a listing of hundreds of houses that they need done right now at this moment. It would be great for you to get on social media. Social media is growing so much, and you don't want to leave coins on the table. So start researching how to run a business on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat. Every social media that you can think of, you need to be on there.
Just like all these other companies, we see them everywhere. Outside, on the billboard, on the TV. We hear them on our cell phones when we're listening to YouTube. We can't get away from it.
So that's the way you need to promote your business. Last but not least, y'all, this is coming from the heart. Do not limit yourself in this business. Try to make as much money as you can. The items inside of there, you can resell them. They don't care what you do with the items. I had one property where it was a car left in the driveway. I didn't have a key to it, but it's nothing but $75 to call a locksmith to get a key. Figure out what's wrong with the car. Either sell it or give it to a family member. I found baby sets before.
You know how hard it is to find a baby crib with a diaper changer and a dresser?
You can really be a blessing to someone in this business. So if you're gonna do this, be serious about it, because you can really grow in this. That concludes this video. If you want to see more like this, or if you want me to make a video that's a little bit longer and goes a little bit more into detail, just make sure you let me know in the comments or DM me on social media. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.